Hi guys, it's Cami and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing a what else a foundation wear test today. I've done so many foundation wear tests. Check them out if you are interested. Today we're going to be trying out the new Kat Von D foundation. I've got the Kat Von D Good Apple Full Coverage Serum Foundation. It comes in this super weighty glass bottle. The top I think is plastic, so it does have this elaborate, ornate, antique design. It reminds me of something that you would find like an enchanted garden, which I appreciate. I love a good, thoughtful package. I mean, it doesn't smell like apple or anything. Transfer proof, natural finish, full coverage. It has a pore blurring effect, is non-comedogenic, and stands up to sweat and humidity. Best for oily, combination skin, or normal skin. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and try this out. My skin is already prepped with moisturizer. I use the best moisturizer in the nation, you guys. It is the Keys Skin Transformation Cream. Love this moisturizer. Obviously, definitely going to be wearing primer today. My tried and true primer of late is this L'Oreal Prime Lab primer. I've got all this hyperpigmentation, and if I'm going to wear makeup for the whole day, you know, for multiple reasons, not just one errand, I want a full coverage product. So we're going to see how this works, you guys. I'm going to use a brush and a sponge, and I'm going to let you guys know which one I like the best. I just blew my nose and it's a little red, so we're going to see if it covers the redness too. Okay, so right, like the color looks like it's gonna be fine. We can make it work, you know what I mean? You get to see, like, is it too cool, is it too warm? I've been using my Le Botte Soleil brushes lately. I love these brushes. They're so freaking soft. I got these at like a BeautyCon event years and years ago. So I have the color Tan 66, 4 stars out of 5 stars. Comes in recyclable packaging. Foundation blends and blends with your skin for natural, seamless, flashback free finish that covers everything from blemishes to acne scars to hyperpigmentation. If I were to order this off of line, I would have gone for Tan 60. This costs $42. And that's the good thing about buying it at Sephora is if you don't get the right color for you, you can go back and exchange it at the store. My blemish is covered, and one pump went pretty far. Like, it really did this whole right side of my face. It definitely covered up this hyperpigmentation. I have oily combination skin. It's definitely drying down matte. I like that. Also, we get to see if the sponge soaks up too much of the product. And I'm using these sponges from, I think they're from the 99-cent store. Right away, you guys, there's not much of a difference between the sponge and the brush. Just go with which one you like the best. I don't think that the sponge was soaking up product, which I thought might happen, but that's not what happened. So honestly, just pick the applicator that you like the best. I probably would stick to whatever applicator that I'm using at the time. I just love this new brush. I'm gonna use a brush. If I just love this new sponge, I'm gonna use that sponge. I do have to say, these Le Botte Soleil brushes are so freaking soft. I would probably go for this just because I'm liking using this right now. So we have on our primer, we have our foundation on. I think that the foundation went on smooth on top of the primer. So let's go ahead and see how the foundation wears with some cream products on top of it. I'm using this cream product on top. It's the Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in the color Dark. And to be honest with you, this color is a little cool tone for me, so I'm not going to use that much. I'm not doing that much today. I do have to run some mom errands today. Just a little bit of color and definition. I don't see that the product has moved. It looks like it's still there like normal. Let's go ahead and do powder really quick on top of it and then setting spray. The setting powder I've been using a lot lately is the CoverGirl Clean Invisible powder. I just got this all over me. Oh my gosh. It's the thing with powders. That's what happens. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip into powder product on top and we'll see how it sits. I always powder under my eyes because I tend to get oily like right on my cheekbones here. So I definitely put powder there. I don't think the powder has changed the color or anything like that, so that's really important to know. All right, we're gonna put on setting spray, you guys. The color has not oxidized. I'm gonna use the Tarte Maracuja Mist setting spray. Obviously, it's gonna dry down. The product says that it dries matte, and I can already see here, like, it's drying down matte. And I'll see you guys in a couple hours. I'm putting some foundation on the back of my hand because I want to test the transfer proof quality that this product claims that it has. I cannot test transfer proof on my face because, as you know, I put powder on my face after the foundation. That just really wouldn't give us real results. We're going to use a little cloth and see if the foundation comes off onto the cloth. There's nothing on this side. I'll rub it on my hand. And now you can see that there's a little bit of a brown tint on the white cloth. So I wouldn't say that this product is transfer proof. Oh, that's so disappointing to find out because I don't know. I don't have many KVD items in my collection. It doesn't bother me that much. I'm very careful with what I wear and how I interact with my face when I wear makeup. So it's been about 6 hours since I've been wearing this foundation, you guys. I do notice that it did oxidize down a little bit. My face is much darker than my neck now. I would say go one shade lighter than you think that you need. I always love to test to see if a product has cracked around my nose. That is one hot spot on my face. I've been blowing my nose this week because I'm, like I said, not feeling well. I don't really see that the product has really come off that much. My nose still looks fine makeup wise, but also the product has not cracked around my nose. Cracking around my nose is something I look for really quickly in a wear test because a lot of times I've tried foundations and the makeup has cracked around my nose like within a couple hours, and I don't see that with this foundation. One thing I do notice is my oils are definitely coming through. If you have oily or oily combination skin, then you're probably going to want to use blotting papers during the day. I remember it said something. So it says that this is best for oily, combo, and normal skin. In my opinion, I feel like it's best for dry skin. Yeah, it's better for dry skin. That's what a lot of people are saying, and it does oxidize. Don't started getting oily around 6 hours. Yeah, I said that too. All right, so those are the reviews. Like, it's matching up. It's matching up. Please leave your comments and questions down below so that I can read them and answer them for you. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my very next foundation video. Bye.